Okay, so I've rolled the painting out on my big rolling easel, rolled it out into the sunshine. It's a beautiful day. I hear crickets, I hear chickens, and the dog's over there rummaging for something, but beautiful day in the studio. So what I'm going to do today is use my Dremel, which has a long, I don't know, wand on it, and I'm going to be grinding out little drops and little highlights that will capture the light, and it'll give the illusion of sunlight hitting or going through drops of water. So let's see how this goes. My roosters are excited about it.